हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा टेलीविजन की ओर से गीता जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में दिसंबर माह में कृष्णा कॉन्टेस्ट का आयोजन किया गया था, जिसमें विभिन्न आयु वर्गों के बच्चों ने बड़े ही उत्साह के साथ भाग लिया और इसकी थीम थी भगवद गीता श्लोका रिसाइटेशन। इनमें से जिन बच्चों को चुना गया है उनके वीडियोस हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं और आशा करते हैं कि भविष्य में भी आप सब इसी प्रकार से ऐसी प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लेते रहेंगे और अपनी प्रतिभा को भगवान श्री कृष्ण के श्री चरणों में समर्पित करते रहेंगे। धन्यवाद। हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna, my name is Aradhna Singh. I am 13 years old, studying in class 8. Today, I am going to recite 7 shlokas from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Chapter 2, Verse 2. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Utastvakasmalam medam Vishame samupastitam Anarya jushtama swargyam Akirti karamarjuna. Translation. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, My dear Arjuna, how have these impurities come upon you? They are not at all befitting a man who knows the values of life. They lead not to higher planets but to infinity. 2.47 Karmanevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phalaheturbhor ma te sangostva karmani. Translation. You have a right to perform your prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of action. Never consider yourself to be the cause of the results of your activities, and never be attached to not doing your duty. 2.62 Dhyayato Vishayan Pumsa Sangasteshu Pajayate Sangat Sanjayate Kama Kamat Krodho Bhijayate. Translation. While contemplating the objects of the senses, a person develops attachment from them. A person develops attachment for them, and from such attachment, lust develops. From lust, anger arises. 2.63 Krodhat bhavati sammoha Sammohat smriti vibhrama Smriti bhramsat buddhinasho Buddhinashat pranashyati. Translation. From anger, complete delusion arises, and from delusion, bewilderment of memory. When memory is bewildered, intelligence is lost, and when intelligence is lost, one falls down again into the material pool. Chapter 3, verse 37 Shri Bhagavanuvāca Kama esha krodha esha Rajoguna samudbhava Mahashano mahapapma Vidhyena mihaverinam. Translation. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, It is lust only, Arjun, which is born of contact with the material mode of passion and later transformed to wrath, and which is the all-devouring sinful enemy of this world. Chapter 8, verse 14 Ananya cheta satatam yo mam smarati nityasa tasyaham sulabha partha nityayuktasya yoginam. Translation. For one who always remembers me without deviation, I am easy to obtain, O son of Pritha, because of his constant engagement in devotional service. Chapter 12, verse 20 Ye tu dharmamritam idam yathoktam paryupasate shraddha namat parama bhaktaste me priya. Translation. For those who follow this imperishable path of devotional service and who constantly engage themselves with faith, making me the supreme goal, are very, very dear to me. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा। मैं सौम्या सुमन आज आप सबों के समक्ष श्रीमद् भगवद गीता के कुछ श्लोकों को प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता द्वितीय अध्याय श्लोक संख्या 11। श्री भगवानुवाच असोच्यानन्वसोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञवादं शुभाषसे गतासु न गतासुश्च नानुशोच्यन्ते पंडिता। अर्थात इस श्लोक में श्री भगवान कह रहे हैं कि हे अर्जुन, तुम पांडित्यपूर्ण वचन कहते हुए उनके लिए शोक कर रहे हो जो शोक करने योग्य नहीं है। जो विद्वान होते हैं वे ना तो जीवित के लिए न मृत के लिए ही शोक करते हैं। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता द्वितीय अध्याय श्लोक संख्या 23। नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावक न चैनं क्लेदन्ति आपो च न शोषयति मारुता। अर्थात इस आत्मा को न तो शस्त्र द्वारा खंडित किया जा सकता है, न ही इसे अग्नि द्वारा जलाया जा सकता है, न तो इसे जल द्वारा भिगोया जा सकता है एवं न ही इसे वायु द्वारा सुखाया जा सकता है। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता द्वितीय अध्याय श्लोक संख्या 66। नास्ति बुद्धिर्युक्तस्य न च युक्तस्य भावना न च भावयत शांतिर्शान्तस्य कुतः सुखम। अर्थात जो कृष्ण भावनामृत में परमेश्वर से संबंधित नहीं होते हैं उनकी न तो बुद्धि दिव्य होती है, न ही उनका मन स्थिर होता है, जिसके बिना शांति की तो कोई संभावना ही नहीं। एवं जो शांतिहीन मनुष्य होते हैं उन्हें सुख कैसे प्राप्त हो सकता है। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता चतुर्थ अध्याय श्लोक संख्या 6। अजोपि सन्नव्यायात्मा भूतानामीश्वरोऽपि सन् प्रकृतं स्वामधिष्ठाय संभावाम्यात्माया। अर्थात श्री भगवान कह रहे हैं कि यद्यपि मैं अजन्मा, अविनाशी तथा समस्त जीवों का स्वामी हूँ, तथापि प्रत्येक युग में मैं अपने आदि दिव्य रूप में प्रकट होता हूँ। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता चतुर्थ अध्याय श्लोक संख्या 10। वीतराग भय क्रोधा मन्मया मामुपश्रिता बहवो ज्ञान तपसा पूता मदभावम आगता। अर्थात श्री भगवान बता रहे हैं कि आसक्ति, भय तथा क्रोध से पूर्णतः मुक्त होकर एवं मुझ में पूर्णता तन्मय होकर और मेरी शरण में आकर बहुत से भक्त भूतकाल से मेरे ज्ञान से पवित्र हो चुके हैं। इस प्रकार उन सबों ने मेरे प्रति दिव्य प्रेम को प्राप्त किया। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता अष्टदशो अध्याय श्लोक संख्या 66। सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्व पापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। अर्थात श्री भगवान कहते हैं कि हे अर्जुन, तुम समस्त प्रकार के धर्मों का परित्याग करो एवं मेरी शरण में आओ, मैं तुम्हारा उद्धार कर दूंगा, तुम डरो मत। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता अष्टदशो अध्याय श्लोक संख्या 78। संजय उवाच यत्र योगेश्वरो कृष्णा यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरा तत्र श्रीविजयो भूतिर्ध्रुवा नितिर्मतिर्मम। अर्थात संजय कहते हैं कि हे धृतराष्ट्र, जहाँ योगेश्वर श्री कृष्ण है और जहाँ परम धनुर्धर गांडीवधारी अर्जुन है, वहीं पर ऐश्वर्य, विजय, अलौकिक शक्तियाँ तथा नीति भी निश्चित रूप से रहती हैं। ऐसा मेरा मत है। हरे कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna. My name is Chaitanya Multani. Today I am gonna recite 7 Bhagavad Gita shlokas. Bhagavad Gita as it is, Chapter 1, Observing the Armies on the Battlefield of Kurukshetra. Text 1. Dhritarashtra uvacha Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavetaayuyutsavah Mamakah Pandavaschaiva Kemakurvat Sanjaya. Translation. Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, after my sons and the sons of Pandu assembled in the place of pilgrimage at Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, what did they do? Chapter 3, Karma Yoga, Text 21. Yad yad acharati shrestah tat tat evetaro janah sayat pramanam kurute lokastat anuvartate. Translation. Whatever action a great man performs, common men follow, and whatever standards he sets by exemplary acts, all the world pursues it. Chapter 4, Transcendental Knowledge, Text 8. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samstharpanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Translation: to deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants, as well as to re-establish the principles of religion, dharma, and myself appear millennium after millennium. Chapter 4, Text 9. Janma karma cha me divyam evam yo veti tatvatah tyaktva deham punarjanma neti mameti so Arjuna. Translation: one who knows the transcendental nature of my appearance and activities does not, upon leaving the body, takes his birth again in this material world, but attains my eternal abode, O Arjuna. Chapter 9, the most confidential knowledge, Text 22. Ananyas chintayanto mam ye jana paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. Translation: but those who always worship me with exclusive devotion, meditating on my transcendental form, to them I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have. Chapter 9, Text 34. Manmana bhava madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishyasi yuktvevam atmanam matparayanah. Translation: engage your mind always in thinking of me, become my devotee, offer obeisances unto me, and worship me. Being completely absorbed in me, surely you will come to me. Chapter 18, Conclusion. The perfection of renunciation. Text 66. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshasyami masuchah. Translation: abandon all varieties of religion and just surrender unto me. I shall deliver you from all sinful reactions. Do not fear. Hare Krishna.
Hey Krishna, I am Dhriti Singh from Mumbai. I am 15 years old and today I am going to recite my 7 most favorite shlokas from Bhagavad Gita, all of which have been said by Lord Krishna to Arjuna. Starting with verse 2.40. Neha bhikramanaşosti pratyavayo na vidyate swalpamapi yasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. In this endeavor, there is no loss or diminution, and even a little advancement on this path can deliver one from the most dangerous type of fear. 3.27. Prakrite kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvashah ahankara vimodhatma kartaham iti manyate. The spirit soul, bewildered by the influence of false ego, thinks himself to be the doer of the activities which are in actuality carried out by the 3 modes of material nature. 7.14. Daivi hesha gunamai mama maya duratyaya mameva ye prapadyante maya me tam taranti te. This divine energy of mine, consisting of the 3 modes of material nature, is difficult to overcome, but one who has surrendered unto me can easily cross beyond it. 7.19. Bahunam janmanam ante jnanavan mam prapadyate vasudeva sarvamiti samahatma sudurlabha. After many births and deaths, one who is actually in knowledge surrenders unto me, knowing me to be the cause of all causes and all that is. Such a great soul is very rare. 9.2. Rajavidya Rajaguhyam Pavitram Idamuttamam Pratyakshavagaman Dharmyam Susukam Kartumavyayam. This knowledge is the king of education, the most secret of all secrets. It is the purest knowledge, and because it gives direct perception of the self by realization, it is the perfection of religion. It is everlasting and it is joyfully performed. 9.22. Ananyas chintayanto mam ye janaha paryupachate तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्. But those who worship me with exclusive devotion, meditating on my transcendental form, to them I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have. 18.66 सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वां सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः. Abandon all varieties of religion and just surrender unto me. I shall deliver you from all sinful reactions. Do not fear. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna devotees, my name is Gauranga and today I will be reciting 7 shlokas from the Bhagavad Gita. Text 2.11 Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Asocyan Anvasocastvam Prajnavadamscha Bhashase Gatasun Agatasumscha Nanusochanti Panditaha. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, by speaking learned words, you are mourning for what is not worthy of grief. Those who are wise lament neither for the living nor for the dead. Text 2.12 Natve vaham jatunasam natvam neme janadipaha nachaiva na bhavishyamaha sarve vayamata param. Never was there a time when I did not exist. Nor you, nor all these kings, nor in the future shall any of us cease to be. Text 2.13 Dehi nosmin yata dehe kaumaram yavvanam jara tatha dehantara prapter dhiras tatra namuhyati. As the embodied soul continuously passes in this body from boyhood to youth to old age, the soul similarly passes into another body at death. A sober person is not bewildered by such a change. Text 2.14 Matra sparshastu kaunteya sitoshna sukha dukkadaha agamapaino nityaha tam stitikshasva bharata. O son of Kunti, the non-permanent appearance of happiness and distress and their disappearance in due course are like the appearance and disappearance of the winter and summer seasons. They arise from sense perception, O scion of Bharata, and one must learn to tolerate them without being disturbed. Text 2.20 Najayate mriyate va kadachin Nayam bhutva bhavita vana bhuyaha Ajo nitya shashvatoyam purano Nahanyate hanyamane sharire. For the soul there is neither birth nor death at any time. He has not come into being, does not come into being, and will not come into being. He is unborn, eternal, ever existing and primeval. He is not slain when the body is slain. Text 2.22 Vasamsi jirnani yata vihaya Navani grinati naroparani Tata sharirani vihaya jirnani Anyani samyati navani dehi. As a person puts on new garments, giving up old ones, the soul similarly accepts new material bodies, giving up old and useless ones. Text 2.23 Nainam chindanti shastrani Nainam dhati pavakaha Nachainam kledayantyapo Nasosayati marutaha. The soul can never be cut to pieces by any weapon, nor burned by the fire, nor moistened by the water, nor withered by the wind. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashadya Deshatarine. Chapter 1 Sloka number 1 Dhritarashtra Uvacha Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavedhayu Yutsavaha मामका पाण्डवाश्चैव किम् अकुर्वत Sanjay? Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, what are my sons and the sons of Pandu doing in the pilgrimage of Kurukshetra deciding to fight? Chapter 2, Sloka number 11. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Asochan anvasocastvam prajnavadamsha bhashase gathasun agatasun cha nanusochanti panditaha. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, while speaking learned words, you are lamenting for something that is not worthy of lamenting. The wise laments neither for the living nor for the dead. Chapter 2, Sloka number 12. Natva evaham jatu nasham natvam neme janadipaha nachaiva na bhavishyamaha sarve vayam ataha param. Never was there a time where I did not exist, nor you, nor all these kings, nor in the future shall any of us cease to be. Chapter 10, Sloka number 8. Aham sarvasya prabhavo matah sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante ma bhutha bhavas samanvitaha. I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything comes from me. The wise who perfectly knows this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Chapter 15, Sloka number 1. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Udvamulamadasyakam Ashwattam Prahuravyayam Chandam Shiyasya Parnani Yastam Veda Savedavita. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, there is an imperishable banyan tree that has its roots upwards and branches down, and whose leaves are the Vedic hymns. One who knows this tree is the knower of Vedas. Chapter 15, Sloka number 2. Atas chodvam prasistastasya shaka guna pravritha vishaya pravalaha adascha mulanyanusantatani karmanubandini manushya-loke. The branches of this tree is nourished by the three modes of material nature. The twigs are the objects of senses. It also has roots going down which binds to the fruitive actions of human society. Chapter 18, Sloka number 78. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno Yatra Parthor Dhanurdaraha Tatra Shir Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvanidhir Madhir Mama. Wherever there is Krishna and wherever there is Arjuna, there will certainly be opulence, victory, extraordinary power and morality. That's my opinion. Om Tat Sat. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna everyone. Today our Simran, age 13, living in Navi Mumbai, is going to recite shloka from chapter 2, contents of Gita summarized Bhagavad Gita. Shloka number 2.7. Karpanya dosho pahat svabhavaha prushyami tvam dharma samudchetaha yacheyasya nishchitam bruhe tanme shishyasteham shadimam tvam prapannam. Meaning, now I am confused about my duty and have lost all my composure due to my miserly weakness. In this condition, I am asking you for certain what is best for me. Now I am your disciple and a soul surrendered to you. Please instruct me. Shloka number 2.11. Shri Bhagavanu Vach Ashochan Vashochahatvam Prajnavadana cha bhasase Gatasun agatasun Chananusochanti panditaha. Meaning, the Supreme Personality of Godhead says, while speaking learned words, you are mourning for what is not worthy of grief. Those who are wise lament neither for the dead nor for the living. Shloka number 2.12. Natva eva aham jatu na asam natvam neme jana deepaha na chaiva na bhavishyamaha sarve vayam atah param. Meaning, never was there a time when I did not exist, nor you, nor all of these kings, nor any one of us in the future shall cease to be. Shloka number 2.13. Dehinosmin yatha dehe kaumaram yauvanam jara tatha dehantar praptir dhiras tatra namoyati. as an embodied soul passes in the body from boyhood to youth and then to the old age, it similarly passes to the another body after death. A sober person is not bewildered by this change. Shloka number 2.70. Avinashi tu tadvidhi yena sarvam idam tatam vinasham avyavasasya tatam kaschit kartum arhasi. Meaning, that which pervades your entire body, you should know that it is indestructible. No one is able to destroy that imperishable soul. Shloka number 2.20. न जायते म्रियते कदाचि नैयं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्य शाश्वतं यं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. Meaning, for the soul there is neither birth nor death. He has not came into being, does not came into being, and will not come into being. He is unborn, eternal, ever existing, and primeval. He is not slain when the body is slain. Shloka number 2.27. Jatasya hi dhruvo mrityu dhruvam janma mrityusya cha tasmad pariharyarthe natvam sochitum arhasi. One who has taken birth, he is sure to die, and after that, he is sure to take birth again. So, in the unavoidable discharge of your duty, you should not lament. Shloka number 2.47. Karmanyevadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phala heturvurma te sangotsva akarmani. Meaning, you have the right to perform your prescribed actions, but you are not entitled to the fruit of your action. Never consider yourself the cause of the result of your activities and never be attached to not doing your duty. Thank you and Hare Krishna.
ऐसे ही और भक्तिमय कार्यक्रमों के लिए देखिए हरे कृष्णा टेलीविजन। इसे प्राप्त करने के लिए आप अपने केबल अथवा DTH ऑपरेटर से संपर्क करें तथा और अधिक जानकारी के लिए आज ही डायल करें 8767 845 845।